I want to disagree totally with my brother that we need to accept and move forward. There's nothing to accept and move forward. The underlying thing is that this election was marred with a lot of illegalities and malpractices. We were at the center of it. We were running call centers. We know what happened. We traversed the country 3 times. We know what happened. And McHugh, even at the last day at Bomas, we were present. We slept. We spent sleepless night at that place, and we knew what transpired. I was actually at the core center of it, and I remember getting this. There's a guy who was inside the floor, and he was accredited as an observer, but was inside the floor as an agent. I found him with a tag. He had a computer and some gadget, which it's a long debate.
But Dennis, at the end of it all, these are claims that were not substantiated enough to allow, you know, the Supreme Court to even make a dissenting opinion from the judgment they did.
What I want to inform us is that over 7 million people voted for Raila Odinga. That's the truth. And this 7 million household individuals come from various faces of this country and from different households. And these are people who are dissatisfied. And if you listen to the Supreme Court judgment, as opposed to uniting the country, the judgment was actually inflicting more pain on the people. Look at even how the celebration was after President Ruto was in Kasarani. There's no celebratory mood in the country. People are sad, and that's the reality.
Is it?
But
was
Zainab,
that really?
This is what I've been talking about. That Azimio people have to be honest to their fan base. You cannot decide whether something is popular or not based on how many people turn up to celebrate, because he who alleges must prove. If they did not prove to us, for instance, that there was manipulation of the system, there was no proof. You can allege, and the allegations are there, but they did not prove it. And anyone, any layman, you don't even need to be a lawyer. You just need to read the petition by Azimio to see that there was absolutely no proof. It was hearsay.
There's no need of raising temperatures. We know the country needs to heal and move forward. But what you're saying that is actually laughable because it's so obvious that the Supreme Court judges were compromised. There's no way the 7 bench judges they gave us unanimous. It cannot be unanimous. It cannot be unanimous.
Now you say, okay, so from our standpoint, obviously, you know, that's a judgment made by the Supreme Court.
I agree with you.
You know, unless now you come with something that would prove otherwise to this point. But on that point, we're going to take a short break on M Live.